Hello. So this morning, straight away at the open, on gold, we have a massive opening candle, and then we just consolidate after. But yeah, some high volatility first thing. It broke to the downside over the weekend, coming to some pretty major levels of structure, so we'll see. We're just more rangy than anything. But as we've done this, if we reject it nicely, I'm going to expect some. Well, I'm going to look for trendy moves up, some longs initially. Now we're coming to this bottom of the range. I mean, it'd be even better if we'd come a bit lower. Zoom in a bit. I think I need to change the colour of my candles for the streams. You can't really see. But yeah, so yeah, it's just, I'm not in no rush to take a trade today. Because it just seems a bit like it has been choppy. It's very choppy. I'll wait for that opening range to set. And if we can push up, I'll use the VWAPs and the upper band. See where what we get. Maybe back to the previous day. That's where I traded to. I changed this. Yeah, sweet. Do I dare change the colour of my candles? Thing is, I do like these this colour. Huh? What's that look like? Maybe we try that. Oops. Okay. Don't know. I do like orange actually. We'll try it. It might look better on the videos. That's all I'm thinking. It looks like we're just going to chop after that big move down. Just consolidate. Which is annoying. Gold has been terrible to trade recently, in my opinion. Alright, I'm just going to go and sort myself out a little bit while we wait for this 15 minutes set. So we've got 6 minutes. I'll be back in 6 minutes. Yeah, music. We weren't same band. The music was like we kept changing it constantly. It just kept like, oh, this is good. Oh, let's change. Yeah, they like too mixing it too much. Yeah. I'm back. Maybe I clip this bit out because it's a bit boring for any watchers. Let me watch one day. This coffee. This will get me more entertaining. I'm just a bit tired this morning. But it's a rare day I get to trade gold in the AM because I'm not working. I do love it. This is the dream. Once I stop working. But yeah, come on. I want to see some movement, man. It's just not had much going for it recently. So this is on the 15. Let's look. Yeah, so we've come into some pretty good support previous consolidation. Yeah, we're either going to... The thing is, if we continue low, we're just coming to more structure. Constant structure. I'd prefer it to go highs, longs. So the overall trend... Yeah, it's weird. We had a big dip. Now we're just gradually making its way back up. Whether this is a pullback to keep going lower, it does look like it, to be honest. Like this looks like just higher low, lower high, capitulation. Maybe we're going to make another lower high, but for now, I prefer to stick to the more shorter term. We're making high highs and high lows, still in that higher low. So I'm expecting this to respect this level and continue higher. So that's what I'm aiming towards. But let price show its hand first. Let's see. Gotta wait for a break and then a retest of the VWAPs. If we break and close into this area pretty nicely, I would definitely consider using the upper bands up to the previous day. This is an inside structure. It's quite a good level. I'd imagine we see some reaction off it, but it doesn't mean that the trend won't continue. But I'd probably be a bit more hesitant to use the upper bands if we come into this level. Oh, it's going to be one of the mornings again, isn't it? I can sense it. Later down the line, I take along here. While we're ranging, coming to the lower bands, back up to here. That's where I take profits. once I start implementing different strategies. Pretty good risk reward too. Let's do it. Go on to my paper trade. Damn. Fuck no. Oh, that was silly, wasn't it? But it is silly. I'm not really taking paper trading seriously. This might be the entry. The rejection. It's shooting for big risk rewards, so you can't expect a high win rate. It's tight stop loss. Might tap me out, then go. Oh, nearly. There we go. Anyway, stop messing. Looks like we might push lower. Get back onto my account. Damn. There we go. The annoying thing about it coming lower, I really don't want it to. Just not going to look for a trade for a while. I mean, I have seen this before though. When we have a big, stupid opening candle, we could trend down to them levels again. So if we do get a retest here, maybe I take, let's see. Just making sure I'm on the right account now. I've done that before. Messing around on paper trade, take my actual trade and then realise I wasn't on my account. Actually, I've had no bloody water. 1 sec. Should we go free one or bucket Coopers?
I think it probably would be free. It just depends if it's extra.
Yeah, or even waiver.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
Which one you bought?
I said, could you? Or, oh no, I didn't say could you. I said free one. Yeah, we're good at waiver.
Yeah, either way, or look at either. I think it probably would be free waiver.
At that time, surely.
Yeah,
Half six, yeah.
So,
Yeah, this is okay. This looks better for shorts. But I've got to be picky. I can't just jump into anything. I want to take it off this level down to here. Truly. 150. It's a hard one. Sorry, I'm picking my nose. Right, let me think. No, we're coming. That's against my rules. I can't take it off that. I've got to wait for the view up. I am very keen to, though. Let's have a look. Say I take it off this level. You can get a pretty good stop loss. Yeah, look at that selling volume. I only have 2 trades in the chamber. That is my rule. Because I am an over trader. Full on junkie. So I've got to put barriers in place. Like a child. I'm going to stick to it. Ooh, this is tempting, man. Let's put a low debut up in. If we respect that, see, I'd like my stop loss really up here. Which means I can only take 1 unit. Let's see. See, if this candle was doing that at the here, that'd be getting in. You might go without. Come on, price. Let's go higher a little bit. Look, I'm so keen to get in trades. I'm such a junkie, honestly. I should be scared to get in trades. Oh god, entry's coming up. Oh no. Should I be getting in? Should I not? But now I'm like, come on, give me an entry. Just itching for it. It's a nice 15-minute close as well. That's the thing. I know we got this initial rejection, but it does do that on the open a lot. It's not actually giving me a bullish bias really, because it's the opening 15 minute after a weekend, you know. So if I go more aggressive with my stop loss, because I've got 2 attempts. So if this, say I take a trade here, that doesn't work, just get myself stopped out pretty soon, and then use the this is my ideal trade. I want to see how it reacts here. If there was nothing below us, then I'd be taking it off of this. But we have come into some structure here, so I'm a bit hesitant, you know. It's not really anyway. I like that. That's not give me an entry candle. I prefer it to shoot up to the VWAP now. Problem is, oh no, yeah, that's not giving me an entry. This is giving me vibes that it wants to come to the VWAP. Which also means I just potentially shoot for. I don't have to push any lower than the lows. Let's mark out 15-minute lows. Yeah, so I'd shoot for. Oh, it's chilly here now, Sydney. It's getting cold. Oops. It's about where the 15 minute is. Okay, this might. I don't know. There's not enough volume actually. Ooh, ooh, it's tempting. Let's see if we break this. Yes, I'm happy it's not giving me the entry there. I want it to cut. This is my more A plus setup as if it comes back to these levels. So that's a nice bullish candle for me. With low volume as well, so if it does cut to these levels with low volume, it's even better. Ooh, it's cold. Come on. It's getting there. I always like this on the 15-minute. We get strong flush down and then instantly reverses, but not as strong. I like to see it reject off these levels like I'm looking for. And I'm going to push, hopefully push lower. That's actually a nice mean reversion entry. Oh, yeah. Come on, a little bit higher. Not yet. Ooh, let's play him. That is tempting. That is tempting. Let's see how the 2 minute closes. Some nice patience there, because old me might have gone into that. Last week, old me. Look at that. Okay, that's pretty bullish. Bouncing off that anchor. Got 1 minute left on the 15-minute candle. Come on. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Oh, it's so cold. What is going on out there? Can't take my eyes away that yet, though. Bloody hell. Okay. Whew. I'd much prefer it to come into the levels, but it's close. Close enough, kind of. No. No entry. It's just trickling, isn't it? There's no strength in the pullback. That's why I want to get in. Okay, this might be. Still respecting that anchor. But if we break below it, that might be my entry. There we go. I want to see it come higher. Come on. Just waiting for that heavy entry cant like that. If it closes like that, that's when I get in with some nice volume. Problem is if it's going to range from the 15-minute on the 15-minute for a bit, it's just going to respect this level. So now with this entry, I've got to go for lows. I've got to go for a lower low instead of these levels. Not much volume. No entry anyway. Okay, come on, push higher. There you go. Keep going. Here we go, come on. See, this is where I've just got to be patient with my intro. I'd like to see the next candle push up now into the levels that I'm looking at. We've basically come into the 15-minute VWAP now. So this green line was my marker for my 15-minute. I'd say it's come into it. Yeah, we've come into it. I can get rid of that. It's tough. No volume again. I want to see that nice. I would have entered there if it was good volume. Yeah, I might miss out on this. On the old clock, we might see some decision. 8 minutes to go till 9 o'clock. See, there's patience again. Like, we're coming to 15-minute view up. I could have entered here, but I stayed patient, more selective. I was looking for better volume. Pretty trickly, innit? Bit slow. See, look how low the volume's gone. Doesn't give me much confidence. There we go. Come on. Get up. I'd love to see a pin bar. If it gives me a pin bar, I'm happy. I might even go 2 contracts. If it's a high volume pin bar, even better. But we have got 3 minutes until the close. I want to see it before then. Ooh. Three minutes until this close. Look, I don't want to really see a bullish pin bar going into the close. I'd rather it come into the level, reject even to around here again, and then expect lower. Come on. Just so slow in it. Okay, 1 more minute until the o'clock close. Come on. Right, we've definitely going to the 15-minute right now. 15-minute VWAP. Ooh. Might go on a contract, you know. There we go. Oh, bugger. Look at that. That's annoying. Well, I timed it pretty well. I got slipped a little bit, but it's doing what I expected so far. I would have liked another contract on there, so I could go lower. But we don't need as loose of a stop loss. Should I go tight with my stop loss and put my contract on? That's the question. Well, I can put another one on, at least. See how we react to the VU up. Could go to this level. It's tough. Ooh, that's a bullish 2-minute candle. Did it close? Yeah, it closed. Yeah, I don't know what to do here. Do I just go conservative targets? Do I do a more aggressive stop loss? and add another contract. Just shoot for this level. Oh. I mean, if we see a nice reaction off the VWAP, I might add go tighter and just shoot for conservative targets. It's annoying that. My entry. Just a second too late. Not even a second. Ooh, it's bloody freezing. I mean, I still would like it to do that. Come into this level and give me a nice rejection. Oops. And yes, I do take negative R trades sometimes. It's annoying how nicely it's respected the anchor again. I think if we do get a break and close below, it's probably going to move. But that's when I would shoot for lower targets. All right, mate. See ya. Yeah, there's just not much volume. I mean, the bulls are getting higher volume at the minute. Let's count that as a bullish candle too. This is a potential entry signal. A short entry signal. If this closes below there like that. Oh, nearly. Come on, get through that VWAP now. This is looking better. tempting to just do aggressive stop loss from here. Add another contract. Let one run. Am I being greedy? Oh, it's respected it again. Come on. Breakthrough. Don't be like that. Don't do that. Tempted to close that. No, it looks alright. Just hate candles like that. This is why. Yeah, it's really struggling to get through this anchor. I think if it does get through the anchor, we're off. I know I'll regret if I tighten too much. And we just get spiked and then go lower. I'll regret that. So let's leave as is for now. I want to know what the 15-minute close is like. Okay, this is looking. This could be an entry signal. Ooh, do I do it? No volume again. 4 minutes till the 15-minute close. But price is looking good. It's just stuck with this VWAP, which I'm worried about. And we could just shoot higher. If we do, hopefully this respects. Both anchors are getting respected right now. I anchored to this high, high low, because we've come into the key level, 15-minute VWAP. So I want to see a certain pattern off this anchor. I mean, I like the respect, but I like to see a lower low as well. The close. Lower low, lower close. We're going to get a pop up, I think. I don't like that 15-minute. 2 minutes till the close. Can't believe how cold it is in Australia. The houses are built off paper. No insulation. Just getting no decisions, are we? It's a pretty even battle. Okay, I don't like this. If it closes, we've got 1 minute left on the 15-minute. I don't like these closers. Yeah, look at the 15-minute close. I mean, I've seen it before. It looks like he wants to go up and he just instantly rejects, but I'd rather not see that, to be honest. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good at all. I wish he'd come into this 1 minute view up though. If it's going to push up, at least get to there. Give me some more information. I would really like to see a low close here. Give me a bit more confidence. Don't reject. There we go. That's good. A little bit of volume too. Not much though. But yeah, that's an entry signal. Just broke above, and then we get a nice engulfing candle lower. That could have been an edge candle if I'd not got in the trade yet. Just need to see a heavy move down. A big seller. Don't respect it again. Jeez, man. That's all it's doing. Come on. There we go. It's a nice close. I should probably enter there. I left it too late. Yeah, I could probably enter and move my stop loss down. Do I lower my stop loss? I don't know. No, not yet. If we close like this, I've got to. Come on, a little bit more. Be good. Be good to me. Oh, you little fucker. I'm definitely moving my stop loss now. Come on. Don't do that. Ooh, I hate that. Oh, is it going to make me close early? That's it. That's it. Okay, I took one off there. One off. Hopefully we just come down now. There we go. Nice. I'll take it. I could have probably entered an extra unit there and let it run a little bit. It's probably going to come to these lows. But, yeah, got to take what we can. I'm not in the best of probabilities because, I mean, like, we've not even broken the opening range for one. We've come into, we've respected this structure, yes, that was pretty bullish. We're arranging, we're not really trending. We're more in a bullish trend than anything, so that's why I go for shorter targets. If the conditions were right, that's when I shoot for the extended more easily, more comfortably. I mean, if it goes, it goes. Gotta let it run. I mean, gotta accept it. I took a little win. Look at the volume coming in now. I mean, one thing I could have done is I added a move my stop loss, but I was a bit scared to move a stop loss, to be honest. So many times I've done that, and then it just comes spiked me, tapped me out, and then gone to targets. So not being greedy was a good decision. Yeah, I think I'll probably call that a day. I'm not sure I'll be getting into anything else anytime soon anyway. I've got to go out. It's 10 o'clock I'll be going out. So I need to get ready. All I could potentially do is if we do come lower, but don't quite make it to these levels, I may trade the lower band. But yeah, I've just got a feeling it's just going to range. Which was another reason I took the conservative targets. Yeah, so it's coming into the lower band now, but we haven't actually made a new low, so I'm not a massive fan. If we'd have made a new low, I'd be looking for this now. Like closed below. We've respected this structure. If we'd have closed and broken below the structure and then retraced, fair game. I know what I can do. I can do a review. I'll wait. And there we have it. There's my review. Not quite done, actually. Yep, there we have it. Okay, let's take a screenshot. Anyway, guys, peace out.